Hello, welcome to Pink Fox Brands. I'm going to show you how to edit your pink and gold Acuity template. It's fairly easy. First, I'm going to change the photos by simply dragging in any photo you like. You can click here and change your mission statement. Next, I'll click on the second page and make any necessary changes as well as change the photo in the phone. I'll click on each page to show you that you can easily click on the text and change it. On the last page, I will also change the photo. Please keep in mind you can add in any photo, elements, and change all colors to your liking. When you have completed your templates, download your files as JPG. In a different tab, log into acuityscheduling.com or sign up for a free trial. Now that you are in your Acuity dashboard, please click the link that says Customize and Appearance. Navigate to where it says Scheduling Instructions. Find the Insert Image icon and click it. Find your folder that contains your files. Upload each JPEG one by one. You can reposition these files how you would like. When you are done uploading the files, you have to place the cursor in front of the file and click backspace to ensure there is no space in between and appear as one picture. I don't have to do this on my desktop. However, I find that I have to do this on my laptop. This method may vary per user. Save your work and now preview your booking website. Once you upgrade or select a plan with Acuity, you will be able to view your website live. Please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thank you.